In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best for imprint discount promo code in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for imprint discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called simplycost.com, and open it. As you can see, we have right here a list with different type of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this 10% discount, all you need to do right here is select copy code, and this is the promo code. You can copy this discount code from right here, and you can apply this promo code in order to get the 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called retailmail.com, and as well right here we have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to save up to your 10% off your next order, all you need to do is select show code from right here, and this is the promo code. You can copy this one from right here, and you can apply this promo code on your next order in order to save up to 10%. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.